Walang pamimilit na nangyari Police Colonel Hector Grijaldo nang makausap ito ni House Quadruple Committee o COMCO Chairpersons Representative Dan Fernandez at Representative Benny Abante. Batay ito sa mga abogado ni retired police officer at dating Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Office o PCSO General Manager Ruyin Nagarma na nagbigay ng joint statement sa 4 House panels. Present ang mga abogadong ito sa kipag-usap ng mga mambabatas sa police officer. Sa October 28 na pagdinig ng Senate Blue Ribbon Subcommittee, ipinahayag ni Police Colonel Grijaldo na kinausap umano siya ng 2 kongresista at inutusang kumpirmahin ang reward system sa anti-drug war na ibinunyag ni Garma na dating classmate nito sa Philippine National Police Academy.
I wish to invite the attention of the committee and the general public about the joint statement of the 2 lawyers whom I believe are present during that alleged incident or meeting. If I may quote, Mr. Chair, the 2 lawyers state in this joint statement, at no point did any of the congressmen attempt to pressure Mr. Grijaldo into confirming to a predetermined narrative.
Ipinag-utos naman ni Quadcom Overall Chairperson Representative Robert Ace Barbers na maging bahagi ang joint statement ng record ng 4 House panels. Pinabibigyan din ng kopya nito ang Senado at si Police Colonel Grijaldo. Bago ito, nagpahayag na ng kahandaan si Representative Fernandez na pansamantalang umalis sa chairmanship ng Quadcom dahil sa issue.
If you want to speak something about what really transpired during your conversation with Grijaldo, may I ask you to vacate your position as co-chair and be one of the spokesperson or the resource person.
Yes, Mr. Chairman. As a matter of fact, that's what I intend to do, to inhibit myself in the discussion about this issue. And together, maybe with Chairman Abante, we will be trying to relieve temporarily our chairmanship in order to discuss this in transparent and impartial and honest investigation on this matter, because this pertains to the integrity of this Quadcom, and we don't want that this Quadcom be deluged with so many bad comments about what Chairman Abante and this representation have done in order to ferret the truth.
Hindi sumipot si Grijaldo sa Quadcom hearing dahil sa pananakit ng balikat nito. Bunsod nito, inaprobahan ng 4 House panels ang mosyon na maglabas ng show cause order para sa police officer. Rosa Licuz, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.